Okay, let's get started. So first you want a paper. That's step one. Then you want to get one corner, this one, this one, this one, or this one. Okay, and you want to get one of those corners and get it to the other side. Okay, and then as you can see, you have a leftover over here. Okay. So then you want to rip that off. So I'll let you sit right there for a minute or two. So you want to do that, and then you want to rip this part by folding it like that, and then ripping it off. You can do it at a table. I honestly don't care. You can do it with any kind of piece of paper, okay? So that's that, and then you have that. Well, you want to open it, and it should look like a diagonal. A diagonal, okay? Then you want to fold it like, I don't know, this to that. Then you want to fold it that piece to that piece, okay? So like this. This might not be my best one, but because I'm holding the camera right now, and I don't have a holder, so hold on a bit. This is not how to deal with, folks. I'm just kidding. And then you open it back up, and you get one corner to the center. Whoopsies. And you fold it, and you do the same thing to the other side. So you can go ahead and pause it and do it, okay? Okay, then it should end up like that. Then you want to flip it over so there's a flat side. And you want to get the same thing kind of, but flip it to the center. All of them to the center. Then it should probably look like this, or pretty much close like it. And then you want to fold it. Boy, this is kind of hard. Okay? Then you have 4 squares. 2 here and 2 there. Then you want to, this is kind of hard. So you fold it, and there's 4 squares. Then, boom. So then you want to get your fingers through there, and see how they're all flat like that. You want to get it filled up like that, and do that and stuff. Then inside you want to kind of push, and yeah, something close to that. You can decorate it, okay? And that's how you do it. If you want to click like or dislike, I don't care. Tell me what you want to make next week, and after, and after, and after.